Temu reel over here.
I'm not gonna fish it.
Alright, hello everyone. This is day 7, I believe. Recording every day for 100 days. Today we're going to be fishing. See if we can catch a fish and give it to him to reel in. I got this little blade bait on. My brother is also fishing. He's got a whopper plopper on. First cast. Let's get something.
Can I cast it?
Hold on a minute, buddy. I think you're better at casting your own pole. This pole might be a little harder.
I only know how to do 2 poles, which is this one and the other one. Mine.
Got seaweed all over it. Let's try this again. There you go. Got one. Hey, what in the world? This fish is literally the size of the bait. Yeah. Look at
Can I
that.
throw it back in the water?
Oh, sorry, bud. I was supposed to give it to you. I forgot my mission. The fish was so big. Distracted me. Whoa,
Can I do it?
Oh, he's gone. That sucks. Couldn't get a cool video.
I don't know if it's this bait or what, but
Alright, the next fish you get. We'll take turns catching fish. How about that?
Ah, that's a good idea.
Okay, this is your turn to catch a fish. Oh, right here. Get one. Right here. Go. Reel it in. Reel it in, reel it in. Reel it in, reel it in. Reel it in, bro.
you caught something?
Yeah, bring it in, bring it in. Hey, hey, stop.
Something big.
Reel it in, reel it in. There it is.
That's not what it was.
Okay, okay, don't reel it in. Alright, don't lose it, buddy. Can I bring it closer? Alright. Oh, yeah. Got a...
How about we take turns casting it and doing it?
Look at that. Got a bass. A small one. Alright. Got the fish, man. Let's go. Okay, release it. Show me how you release the fish. Oh.
That's a
Good one, dude. Oh, good cast, dude. All right, reel it in quickly, quickly. Close the bail. Close the bail. And turn it around. Nope, flip it around. Flip it around, and yep, reel her in. All right, bud, I think you're gonna need, oh, you got one. You got one. Swoop. You got one. Okay, bring it in, bring it in. Okay, so that's good, that's good. Bring it to me.
I feel.
That's it. Okay, step back, step back. Step back, bring it in. Bring it in, let's put it on the dock. There it is. Bro, you got this. You got this one all by yourself. Oh no, it's escaping. Now look at me. Yeah, look at that guy. Caught his fish. Let's go.
Okay, throw it back in.
Yeah. Heck yeah, man. Awesome.
Now it's your turn.
Let's
That's your
go.
turn.
All right, it's my turn. Well, it's probably
Sam,
multiple.
Sam, people are fishing all the way over there.
I see that. That's pretty cool. Okay, we're doing a far cast. See how deep we can get this thing. All right, it's my turn to catch a fish.
How about we have
That
one
one.
time?
Oh, that's a nice one. This
Got
one
it?
feels good.
That one?
Ooh, solid bass.
Solid bass? Yeah, that thing is cool. Now
Ooh.
coming all by yourself. Ooh, that is a big one. This is a... Oh.
catch a big old bass. Ooh. A feisty little guy.
Yeah, be careful.
Okay, I'll
Has
be very.
teeth over there.
This is how you take a picture. You grab it by the mouth, grab it right here, and be like, huge bass, 7-pounder. Well, 7-incher. Be free.
Got your fish, but he got
Hey, do you know, Sam, do you know how, like, so they don't go this way?
Yeah, there should be a switch.
Oh, yeah, there is.
got a big massive one, but no.
Yeah, you're right. One more cast. If you don't catch a fish this time, then I don't know. We probably did catch all the fish. Oh, here, Josie.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
There it is. Take it, take it.
No, you do it.
Oh, okay, okay.
And then I catch it.
Oh, a
after you.
bluegill.
A what gill?
A bluegill. Look at
Bluegill.
look at this thing. Oh. He's hooked really good.
You mean
Another bluegill. Sweet. Release it. Hold it right here. And then hold it. Open the bail. That's the bail, yep. Open it. Good. And cast it. Oh, shoot. Dude, good cast. I have no idea. Okay, real. I was catching stuff with this. Go ahead, try it out. Here, use this one.
No, I did left.
All right, so I got the Temu reel. It says Rublinos. Rublinos, whatever that means. But I got 14-pound line on here, and I got the 6th Sense Walker lure. Some kind of walking bait, walks the water. I'll throw it in the water and let's see how it works. All right, here we go. You got a catfish, I bet. That looks like it's fighting like a catfish.
Dude, I thought it was a rock. It is a catfish.
Let's see what we got. Hey, careful with it. Oh, it's a little channel cat. No way. Yeah, that's a channel.
That's nuts, dude.
Hurry up, grab it before it goes back in the water.
You should have used this one.
Here, Tim, you need some pliers?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, dude. You should have bring this one.
That's crazy.
You should have do this one with catfish.
There you go. Chill out. That's crazy, dude. I thought I was stuck. You see me trying to get it unstuck?
Dude, this little lure catches a lot. Caught bluegill, caught bass. It's caught channel cat.
Dude, it looks like I snagged him. You see something in his mouth.
You could have. All right. What do you want to do with him? Release him?
I don't want him. You want him?
Release him. Oh, looks like
He
he
released
doesn't care. That was pretty crazy. Thought he was snagged. He thought snagged and tried yanking it up, and it ended up being a catfish. Oh, I got one. What? Got one up. No, he spit mine out. He spit mine out. Got a bluegill?
Sorry, Jesse, I should have let you reel this one in.
Man. That was a solid cast. No, I didn't. Can.
I'll keep it if you want to.
What? Oh, might as well try it. Ooh, that was a far cast.
You want to hook the whole fish live and just chuck it out there?
Yeah, just right behind the back fin. Right here.
Oh, okay. Way back there. All right.
Like right about here. Because right there is their spine, and you don't want to get too close. You want to grab like maybe a 1/4 inch in. Perfect. Make sure there's no scales on that.
Is this it? Can't find it.
Hey, Josie. Tim's going to throw this rod in, and if we catch something huge, you could pull it in, all right? So I've got to get a rod holder. Oh, there's some trash. And a bell. It's perfect. It's perfect.
It might have fallen off the...
Reel it in real quick.
Nope, still on.
Okay.
Hey, Tim, guys. They have this little one right here.
Yeah, just throw it in the crack right here, Tim.
Sam, can you have this
Throw it in
one?
that
Sam, can you have this one?
All right, let's try this again. Almost caught one with the walker or the wake, whatever you. Got him. Let's go. Yeah. Little guy. Look at this guy. The lure is almost the size of the fish. It's like half the size. These guys look like they have parasites in them, though. You can see in that fin, that little white spot right over here. Looks like a parasite. And also on this side, you can see over here. Dirty fish. Pond fish are dirty fish. Lake fish can be dirty fish, especially if it's a small lake. Always got to be careful. I'm not sure if the worms are bad for you. Could be an extra bit of protein, but I don't want to eat them. They just don't sound very appetizing. Let's get another bait in the water. Oh, that's a good spot. You got another one?
Oh, he's got a crappie.
I got a crappie.
Oh,
buddy.
you almost
That's why I
had
say
him.
You gotta keep it straight. Oh, he's still there.
Oh, that thing almost caught 4 different species.
I almost caught it, but it let go.
Okay, I'm gonna try the other side of the dock. What do you think of that? What do you think of that reel?
The reel seems to be doing good.
Oh, how's it feel?
Oh, I just skipped those lily pads, dude. Going to another spot. There's a little fish right there. Here's another spot. This spot's pretty shallow. I swam here before. It's a little tricky because there's a tree over here. So we're gonna try casting that way first. Okay, I have a feeling I'll catch a bass over here. I have a feeling they're right on the shore. That was a bad cast. Holy cow. Almost decapitated myself. I know where there's a hungry bass at least. Let's see if we could catch him again. This time, we're gonna go a little bit. Yeah, perfect. Perfect cast. Dang, they caught. Got one. What was that? What was that? All right. So we got one. Looks like they're. Ow! The barbs are pokey. Ooh. Man, I don't even know how this guy got hooked. Look at that. 3 hooks inside, and then 2 hooks in the mouth. You're almost free to go, bud. All right, finally got him. There he goes. Small bass today. The Nubling. The Nublinos reel. Temu reel. It's casting pretty smoothly. Not a bad reel. I'm liking it so far. The only thing I don't really like is that little handle.